So your question is, which of the following experiment shows that particles of matter have space between them? Our first option is hammering of iron. Our second option is glass of hot water. Third option is formation of laminate. And our last option is none of these. If we talk about our first option, that is hammering of iron. So hammering of iron is a process, students, in which iron cannot be broken, which shows that the particles of iron attract each other with greater force, so it will not have much space between them. Okay students, so our first option gets eliminated here. If we talk about our second option, that is glass of hot water, as here you can see that students, what is hot? By this students, there will be an increase in temperature that cause the water molecules to gain energy and move more rapidly, students, which result an increase in water volumes, and by this students, there will be not much space left between the particles of matter. So, okay students, so our second option also gets eliminated. Now if we talk about our third option, that is formation of laminate, students. So it is the process of fusion of particles, students, as the other particles have more space between its molecule, as it allows the other particles to get space between them. Okay students, so our correct answer of this question will be our option number C, that is formation of laminate. Okay students, because it shows that the particles of matter have space between them. As you have seen here, the particles of one type of matter gets into the space of the particles of others. So I hope students this explanation is clear to you. So see you all in our next video. Till then, take care. Have a nice day.